Hello. Good morning. Good morning, Arlo. Good morning.
Hey guys, well in today's video we're just going to be trying out a vlog. I've never done one before on this channel, so it's going to be a first attempt for me. We're just going on a little adventure. My friend Charlotte is just getting changed in her house at the moment. I think we might be going for a hike at Lamington National Park. I'm not too sure though. We're going to decide when she gets back into the car. So when that happens, I will be filming along the way. So let's get stuck into it, guys. Just an update. It's been about 10 minutes since I last filmed and I'm still waiting on Shalia. I told her it'd be 5 minutes and so far she's been about 15 minutes. So yeah.
Many months later.
You took 15 minutes. Okay. So we're back, guys. We're just on our travels. Okay, pan the road.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, yeah. Okay, no, come back.
Wait.
No, come back.
Okay, you have to do a hold when you do a pan.
Oh, okay. So we're just on our... Oh, wait, no. So we're just on our travels at the moment, guys. We're on our way to Lamington National Park. My filmographer is just Charlia at the moment. Okay, now pan the road. It's gonna be raining where we're going by the looks of it, but that's okay. Everyone likes getting a bit wet every once in a while.
Your mother watches these.
Oh shit. Actually, I think that's just fog, look.
Oh, it could be.
Yeah, it's 100%
I'll show your viewers.
Yeah. Zoom in.
I have that.
This is an iPhone 11 Pro, they can see it.
Okay, I'll zoom in to 3.
Actually, it's a bit too dark, isn't it? I should have got my film lighting in the car. Anyways, so that's really all I got to update you guys on. We're just driving, so I guess we'll see you when we get there. Bro.
Where'd he go?
Oh, dude, it's there.
Looks malnourished. Can we feed him? Go, surrender yourself to be his food.
Anyways, guys, we made it to Lamington National Park. It's a bit rainy, still. Let's do this. You ready? You ready? Shalia, my videos. Children watch. Okay, we can't do that.
What?
You can't swear on my videos.
Can I swear?
You said the beat word, but that's okay. We came to buy a jumper, but we're not going to.
Oh, Aaron, that's so good.
Because that is ridiculous pricing. What do you mean?
For the inside?
Why? Was it cotton?
Imagine that on right now.
Not even worth it. Oh, there's a rat.
Oh my god, we actually do this.
I don't even know what birds these are. You said when does it bites? No, they're not friendly birds. Okay.
Oh. Look at me. Put the phone.
What do you mean? It's on selfie mode. Oh. I sort of want it on my hand, but that's okay. I got attacked by a wild bird.
Just put your hand out.
They don't want to see. Oh. There we go. Oh. Okay. Shalia, I did not sign up for this.
Aaron, don't put it near me.
I'm allowed a food, buddy.
Oh.
Is it a blue one?
No. Oh yeah, it's a red and blue.
Oh god. Sorry, Arlo, you're in your place.
That's the opening shot.
Well, we're gonna go find somewhere else to hike. because as I said before, it's closed. Charlie is very excited. She didn't really want to hike anyway. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys later.
They have to stop, right?
But then again, we could get hit from the right. Go. She's running. Anyways, so we're now at Mount Tambourine, that way, on an attempt for another walk. It's still a bit wet at the moment.
Everyone go look at my Instagram.
What is it?
At Charlia.
Okay.
SHARLEEAR.
Okay, I might put that in the description box too, but her Instagram isn't that fun. She doesn't really upload. But seriously guys, if you haven't checked out my Instagram, make sure you go do that. It's always linked in the description box below. It's just at Aaron Lewis. I almost just tripped trying to plug my Instagram, but seriously, none of you guys follow it, and I don't know what you're up to, but that's cool. What do you think of the view? Anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed today's video. We ended up at the Bayside today, which was a nice end to our little outing due to the fact that we couldn't really go on the hike where we wanted to. But if you haven't already, make sure you go check out Charlia's channel. Her link will be down in the description box below, and it'll also be at the end of the video. So make sure you go check it out, subscribe. I believe I am in one of her videos, so that's more reason to go check it out. Anyways, thank you for watching. Remember to give this video a big thumbs up. Go check out my social medias, which are always down in the description box below, and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. Bye.